This is MarcTutorials and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another Lightroom mobile tutorial and Lightroom preset giveaway. Today, I will show you how to achieve this black tone to your photos using Lightroom in your phone. Before we start, I will show you the before and after photos using my black preset. You can find the Dng Xmp file on the video description below. So let's start. Let's start out in the Lights tab. Adjust the exposure to positive 1.43. Contrast to positive 2. Adjust the highlights down to negative 100. Shadows to negative 100. Whites to negative 100. And black to negative 64. It is important to understand that there are no ideal settings for all photos. After all, we take photographs under different lighting conditions, with different equipment, so sometimes adjustment will be necessary. Let's proceed to the Colors tab. Adjust the temperature to positive 5. Tint to positive 1. Adjust the vibrance down to negative 15. And saturation to negative 12. In Color Mixer, adjust the red hue down to negative 56. And adjust the red saturation up to positive 100. In Orange, adjust the saturation to positive 62. And luminance to positive 42. In Yellow, adjust the hue to negative 7. Saturation to negative 100. And luminance to positive 67. In Green, adjust the saturation to negative 38. And luminance to negative 18. In Aqua, adjust the saturation down to negative 92. And luminance to negative 31. In Blue, adjust the saturation to negative 78. And luminance to negative 44. In magenta, adjust the saturation to +1. And luminance to -47. In purple, adjust the saturation down to -24. And luminance to -51. Let's proceed to Effects tab. Adjust the clarity to +19. Here's the split tone adjustments. Grain to 8. Lastly, in Details tab, adjust the sharpening to 17. Adjust the noise reduction to 18. And color noise reduction to 18. It is important to understand that there are no ideal settings for all photos. After all, we take photographs under different lighting conditions, with different equipment, so sometimes adjustment will be necessary,